And I say, ooh, bling the belly. Oh, there's a storm coming. My head is killing me. Oh, I'm sorry, unaliving me. Well, S&P had a little bit of a break. Nothing too crazy, though, huh? Hey, Killian, what's up? Lucio! It's my boy right there. VZ puts for the win. For the win. Why does it taste so sweet? Aw, D Cola. How you doing, brother? Yeah, it's a good afternoon. It looks like, see, this is what I mean. This is why also if the S&P and the NASDAQ are going to drop, it looks like DraftKings wedging here. In my opinion, you could probably grab 35 puts. 34.50s even. There was... Yeah, wait, hold on. If I back it up... Yeah, see? If I back it up, you could see that even if it retests the fib real quick, that's sub 34. If it comes back down to the trend line over the next day or two, that's 32.5. So, I mean, I would still say, even if it tests here or here, I think it bounces and eventually gets up there. But right here in the immediate short term, I do still say puts. I don't know why. I don't know why. Hey, Palantir. Good evening. Good evening. Yeah, Palantir sucks. S&P, I'm telling you, might want to continue to kind of slip. If you want, probably like Palantir and Tesla puts, right? Because we know they pretty much follow the S&P. So you could do that as well. What time is it? Alright, so we got about 35 minutes. We got some earnings on deck, too. Got GameStop. Oh, my goodness. Looking for the SPY drop. S&P back red. Hi. Yeah, I grabbed one of the picks that our buddy White sent me. I just started messing around with them. I threw one on X, threw one on the thumbnail here. Looking for the big red candle. On the news about robotics, I'd take his word. I would take his word. I don't know where specifically, right? I mean, in the end, they all might kind of benefit, but you know, it's rough. Because also, in my opinion, I kind of feel like it's the quantum computing as well. You know, like are all these robotic companies like eventually going to start doing stuff and building like, yeah, probably. Right? But is it going to happen in the next like 2 months? You know what I mean? Or is it going to happen in the next 2, 3, 5 years? Just like quantum computing, right? They're coming out, they're testing a few things, but you even had the CEO of Rigetti come out and saying, "Listen, I don't know why our stock's exploding this much. You know, we're still a number of years away from quantum computing. You know, perfection, kind of." Yeah, that's why quantum, they were saying 5, 10 years. Even AI, I mean, we know as much as as much as it's improved, we know that they're looking for even more, right? And that's why even the people in the AI sector are saying, yeah, like, we're getting there, but still going to need 2, 3, 5 years. And just like we said, yeah, quantum computing, 7, 8, 10 years. So I appreciate the fact if people wanted to grab some shares to hold, over the next 10, 20 years of their life. But again, the type of run it went on, it was way too premature. Way too premature. A new pick for the win. S&P red. S&P red. Look at that, bottoming out right there. Tightening. It's ready to drop right here, man. SPY puts. Telling you, if you're not in already. That's why I typed that out to Mustang before, too. Because he was like, oh, yeah, took a loss on SLV. And I was like, yo, SPY put's still in play. I said that, like, as I said it, we had that big red candle. And now you can see we're retesting that level, coming back to the bottom. We know what we know, baby. It is what it is. Oh, look at that. Palantir almost... Look, Palantir almost red. Look at that. Tesla coming down. What'd I tell you? Buy the puts, baby. They follow the S&P. If we think the S&P's going down, buy those. They're going to go down too. Light work. Light work. Show us the break to 68.40. Show us the break to 68.40. Alright, I know I just jumped on, but you guys stay here. I need more coffee. Here we go. Spy. Here we go. Oh, I'm falling apart. No one else is falling apart, apparently. This chair. This chair is falling apart. What levels are we looking for? I don't know, lower. Hey, who's that? Andrew Tate's brother? Looking for a little drop here. Hey, DraftKings back at 35. You're hilarious. At least I have enough food to eat here in America to get fat if I want to. What do you guys eat out there? Wild berries and shit? Oh, the shattered. Okay. Alright, shattered. Why is your name Meditate One's Pie? Y'all are some crazy motherfuckers. I'm actually not fat at all. I've always been very kind of lean. Tall and lean. Okay. Old account. All is forgiven. There it goes. There she goes. You got a lot of hate in your heart over there, brother. Here I go again on my own. Oh, Palantir Red. Where is it? There it is. Palantir Red. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, baba. I also wanted to... Yeah, I want to take a look at earnings also. I have a feeling, I don't know why, GME, Oh, wait a minute, wait. I wanted to check. Did Toll Brothers... Wow, they bounced it right back. What scummers, bro. The thing opened at 128, though. Closed at 136. Did anybody... Anybody? Nobody? Yep. But then when a position's down, they want answers. I'm down 10%. What do you think? Did you buy this? No, I missed it. I actually think GME calls. I don't know why. I think GME calls. Arrow. Okay, we've kind of been on the up and up. Okay, wow, it's a big jump in revenue right there. And expecting 468. 14. What? Whoops. See, they used to have the financials at the top one. I'm so used to clicking the first one. Oof, Wait a minute. Who established that value? That's gonna be puts. That's gonna be puts. Casey General Store. They've been doing nice. Okay, 4 bill 39, 4-5. Almost 4-5. 21 billion. You've been sitting at about 15 the last couple of years. Decent track record. Hmm. Hmm. Actually think puts on this one. CXW, yeah, it's been doing well. Alright. Alright. Awesome. Awesome. I actually think puts on this one. Do have a low float. They've been doing well. Oh yeah, that's what I want to do right now. I want to be nuts. Uh, hmm. They've been doing not too bad. No, this doesn't look correct. What the heck is going on here? No, I don't think I like this one either. Hey, what's up, Nike? How you doing? Nat gas? I'll take your word for it. Honestly, I haven't been watching it. I think puts on this one also. Cracker Barrel. Oh man. Oh my goodness. I guess people haven't been too happy with this one. 600 mil. They're expecting a loss for Q1, huh? 800. 800. August, September, October. August, September, October. Oh, give me the answer. I mean, it is technically undervalued. I just don't know if they're going to hit that mark. Go, Spy, go. The float is minuscule, though. Hmm. What to do, what to do. You gotta go calls on this one, I think. I think you have to. think I think you kind of have to, even if you're gonna be wrong. Uh, Dave and Buster's. How are they doing? Not too good. Now we're looking for 460. Just freaking handing it to him. Nah. Gotta go put some Dave and Buster's. I think I used to look at this stock. Popping up and out. I mean, again, dangerous, but that's a buy, I think. What's up, Blue? It's a buy right there. What about tomorrow morning? Got less than 10 minutes. We got Chewy. So many companies now. Let's look at Chewy real quick. Hey, what's up, Deli? Hmm. I'm doing well. How you doing? I actually say I think puts on Chewy, honestly. I mean, yeah, I'm typing them out now. Again, UEC, Photronics. Yeah, let me just tag everyone real quick. Photronics, UEC. Again, not really familiar with these companies, if I'm honest. How's this been doing? Yeah, it's been doing well. About 200 mil. Okay. Okay. 205. Um, I would have loved to find this. Be up 25% already. Yeah, this is undervalued, in my opinion. I said what I said. Don't make me double back. I got 7 minutes. I think there's calls on that. I love it. You know that. UEC. I would actually say puts, believe it or not. I mean, in general, I like it. But I know we pumped it up to what? It's like several billion and not really doing much. ADR? What country? What country? China. Momo puts. The Rev Group. Okay. Okay. Bad. Not bad. Specialty vehicles. Urgency vehicles and RVs, huh? At 2.7 bill. So the spy put. Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. Yeah, no, yeah. Your situation, that's rough. That's rough. But in general, we know it's a pain in the ass, right? Look what happened yesterday. We literally had the spike we were waiting for at 359, you know? So sometimes it just happens that way. I got you guys. It's not working. It's not working.
Easy.
Oh, we're having a malfunction. What do you know? Made in China.
That was easy.
Pain in my ass. So now I got 4 minutes. What the hell was I looking at here? Look, see what happens? See what happens here? 36 mil with your trash. What is this garbage I'm looking at? Ugh. Garbage. Garbage. Alright, that's it. There's no more time. Oh, look at it. How sweet it is. Lows of the day. Bang, bang. I tell you, man, I'm honestly just too damn good at this shit, bro. I might have to start making myself some real money here. I might charge each person individually. How about like $50 a trade? I think I deserve that. Or I could do it the way TradingView did to me, right? When I went to look at something, it was like, oh, you gotta upgrade your plan, right? Yeah. Now I'm gonna say the same thing to you guys. Oh no, please don't leave. I joke, I joke. I keyed, I keyed. Yeah, it's not bad, right, Mike? 50 a trade? It's not bad. I mean, hey, listen, if there's 10 people, right, that's 500. That's 500 bucks, bang, right to me. Right? Seems like a lot. But, I mean, you know, look at this. Look at this. Let me just go ahead and one more time here.
That was easy.
There you go. Oh, I love it. I love this job. I said VZ puts is down almost 3%. Oh, DraftKings sub 35. I'm a genius. Oh, look at Tesla, right? Was up 1.9% when I mentioned, oh, you could buy puts on that. It's going to drop at the SPY. Bang. Bang, bang. Pound here somehow. Green. Silver taking over the world. I was talking about silver for a freaking year and a half, 2 years. That's it. We focus on the exams. Wow, it just gapped up bad too. This thing should be tanking right now. It's at 4 o'clock. Yeah, last candle. That was dangerous. That was a dangerous little pop right there. Hell yeah, stocks are better than girls. You know why? Because you get good at stocks, you get even more girls. How about that? How about that, huh? Nobody thought about that one, huh? Okay. What was the first one out? GameStop, I think. Let's see. Up. Up. I said calls. Let's see what happens. New board? What? What do you mean new board? Oh, yeah, yeah. Shout out to White Tiger who sent me over like 7 different profile pics. So I'm just gonna, cycle through them, keep changing it up. Looks good though, yeah. Appreciate it. Oh shit. Are you kidding me? The one time they get real with this stock, I say calls, now they want to be honest. $8.21. I tell you, man. All right, what happens? Every time I give these pieces of shit the benefit of the doubt. But then again, I mean, they've been keeping the stock up, and we've seen them consistently dwindle with their revenue and with their business. Yeah, honestly, Deli, give it 5 minutes, bro. It might not even matter with this thing, bro. Legit might not even matter. Look. Look at this. Anytime I used to say puts, they would miss revenue just like they did by frickin' 15%, but then the stock would go up. Now, the one time I say calls, now we're bringing it back down to reality because they missed revenue. I don't buy it. I don't buy it. 25 incoming. 25 incoming. I don't buy it. I don't buy it. No way. No way. If it never mattered, it doesn't matter right now. No way. I don't buy it. I don't buy it. Gap up. Well, if anyone was looking to snipe, you could have just got GME shares for a 10% discount. Ugh, excuse me. I don't buy any of this. Yep. Yeah, have a good night, buddy. All of a sudden, we're real. All right. Crack a barrel. I said calls. All right, fantastic. More narrow than expected loss. Oh, love it. God, they are taking this stock down to 20-year lows over here. That's insane. That is insane. Hey, I said calls on that one. Hey, 57.2 mil. Expecting 50.9 million. So that was a nice beat for American Outdoor Brands, AOUT. To decline approximately 8%. Yeah, I mean, yeah, the stock was technically undervalued. That's why I kind of rolled the dice and said calls. You kind of got to roll the dice with calls here. But yeah, I don't know where that person came from. I don't know what they were thinking. I don't know who said, "Oh yeah, that's a good idea." All of these people are responsible for this right now. And again, if we back up, look at this. 08, 09 when it dropped off. That's where the stock is back to now. Ridiculous. Just fools. Fools. Joke. What a joke. Alright, so 1 out of 3 on the calls right now. That's kind of terrible. Did we bounce back? Profitability surge, higher margins, strong collectibles. And like I said, anytime I said puts, the freaking thing would hold up or go green. So, I don't know. Calls still in play. They might pump it after the open tomorrow. I have no idea. Yeah, no, yeah, even by me, there were a couple of people who were like, "Oh, I'm done with that place." I said puts. AV Aerovironment down about 6% right now. 77,468. Oh, wow. They didn't update yet. What a joke. What a joke. Alright. AV down about 5%. Honestly, been to Cracker Barrel once in my life. Record Q2 bookings driven by Blue Halo with strong outlook despite net loss. Coming in with a net loss here, down 5.6%. I mean, the company was growing nicely. I did think it was overvalued as well, which is why I said puts. You know. But, oh, Deli Bob. Now that's a dub. Oh, thank you so much, brother. What? Which one? This one? I don't know. But awesome. Awesome. And we say Casey. Oh, okay, that's 430. Braze. I said puts on this. And raised guidance. Okay, so they had like the best quarter of their lives. Strong customer, cash flow growth. Braze BRZE currently up 7.6% after hours. I said puts. Rough day. Dave & Buster's, though, we know sucks. Third quarter comp sales decreased 4%. $1.22 lost 42 mil, 448 million. They were looking for 460 million. Called that one correct. Dave & Buster's puts. Look to be playing out. AV puts, you played awesome, yeah. Dave & Buster's down 6%. That seemed like a pretty easy call in my opinion also, but we do know it's random. It's random. Chewy is tomorrow morning. Right? All these other ones I believe are tomorrow morning. Uh-huh. Yeah, UEC tomorrow. Yeah, okay. Okay. I played Jimmy. Oh, damn. Alright. My man. My man. I'm telling you, man. I still say they're going to bring this back up. There's going to be some bullshit that happens with this one. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Let's see how much Cracker Barrel's getting destroyed. Trying to come back a little bit. Down a little less than 12%. Was down about 16%, it looks like. American Outdoors. Yeah, it should go up. Strong innovation, debt-free. Fiscal year sales to decline. Ah. I mean, still undervalued, though. Similar to, like, some of the other smaller outdoor stocks we were looking at. Let's just double check. AV. I'm going to wrap this up soon. I just want to double check these earnings. Oh, of course. What a crock. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah, wait, we got Casey at 4:30. Alright, yeah, I'll hang out a little bit more. Still say GME up in the air. So we'll see what they want to do with that, like midway through tomorrow. Because again, I don't even trust it right out of the gate. Because even if it opens down here, I think they'll bring it back up. I'm curious to see how that one plays out. So I'm actually not even counting that as a loss yet. Cracker Barrel obviously is a loss. That's not what I wanted. Thank you. Yep. Hopefully that holds. 8 and change. AOUT up 5%. Yep, that really should stay red. That's down 5%. So minus GME. Okay, 2 for 3 on those. Yeah, Braze was complete miss. Yeah, they're probably going to keep that up. So that's a miss. Yeah, baby. Yeah. And the rest of the companies are tomorrow morning. So now we're just waiting. I have no idea what they're doing with this stock right now. They can't even operate the locations they have. And they're opening 2 more. And they're pumping on that. Bro, I'm telling you, you can't make this shit up. Can't make this shit up. Unbelievable. You're unbelievable. Oh, bang, 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 bang. You're unbelievable. SpaceX to pursue IPO? Really? My goodness. Bum, bum, ba-dum, bum, bum. Bum, 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 ba-da, ba-da, bum, bum. Bum, bum, ba-da, ba-da, bum, bum. Ba-da, ba, ba, ba. Waiting. Hmm? Hmm. Might see oil bounce here. About $1. That's crazy, bro. We have been seeing some really weird reactions from some of these earnings. And it really makes me wonder who's pulling the strings because half the time it does not make sense. Yep, now it's a piece of shit. Alright. Whatever you say. Whatever you say. Uh... excuse me. Be right back. Yep. What happened? Oh no. Oh no, what happened? Wait, what did I say? I said puts. Hey. Oh, they technically beat. Damn. Damn. But they brought in so much more revenue and barely made more money, man. You're gonna. Oh, really, man? Son of a bitch. You're welcome, brother. Glad you did well. Have a good day. See you tomorrow. Yep. Can't all be winners, can they? I don't know. I mean, this company technically beat, but I don't know. They brought in a lot more revenue and only netted themselves. There we go. There we go. This thing, I mean, should it drop, 50 points and be down 10%? I don't know. I really don't think so. I don't know how much of a beat up something like this may take, because it has been pretty solid over the years. And technically, they did beat. Um, but yeah, again, in my opinion, the net income wasn't very impressive. I would bring this down. Uh, yeah, maybe like 18, 20 points. Yeah, I'd bring this down 3.5, 4%. I'd bring this down 3.5, 4% easily, easily. Maybe even 5.5. Can I get your thoughts on an option? All right. How much is it? Hmm. 4 for 7? Hey, we batted over 500. I'll take it. And hopefully, yeah, hopefully Chewy works out. A few of those in the morning work out for you too. Yeah, anything could reverse, anything could change. Even something like this, we're watching it, it's down what, like, 1, 2%. I mean, market opens could be down 5, 6%. Even something like AVAV, I know they started to bounce that one back. Yeah, so they bounced it back a little bit. They're trying to step it back up. It really should stay down. That's a big miss. It really should stay down. 250. 250. Yeah, I mean, I do like Fubo long term like that. I don't know what those options uh cost right now. Yeah, well, how much is it? We're looking for the prize. I'm not pulling up my account and going all the way to the page when you could just tell me. Thank you. 135. Okay, so it's 50% of the cost of 100 shares to bet that 100 shares will be well above 250 over the next 2 years. I mean, again, we bounce back here to 5. It should net you more money. Hold on, you know what? Pain in my ass. Fubo. I'm just gonna do all this here. Yeah, what are you? Okay, I'm assuming Jan 21st, 2028. 2.5s. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Okay. All right. So hypothetically, all right. So hypothetically, let's say we bounce to, yeah, 5.5 mid-February. Let's say hypothetically. Hypothetically. Mid-February. 5.5. You'd be up roughly 100, over 150% on the option. Yeah, if over the next couple of months it gets up to 5.5, you'd make, again, about 150%. If you want it, again, we're just talking the next couple of months. So it could go from 135 to whatever it was, 360 or whatever. Just in the next couple of months. That's a Jan 28. So there you go. Oh, right as I pull it up. Right as I pull it up. All of a sudden, my stream quality is poor. Uh, Casey's Pizza. Casey down 2.33%. That's why. What'd I say? About 3.5%, 4% should be alright. Just a little haircut. Oh, big gap down. 548. Casey Kasem on the drop. Yeah, it's all about the spread. It's got a nice spread. Alright, brother. Have a good night. See you tomorrow. Yeah, I'm going to wrap it up soon. I just wanted to watch Casey for a few minutes here. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Still got a couple of names tomorrow. And like we say, if as long as we're right more than we're wrong, should be alright. Still saying I have a poor connection. Yep, I told you, 3 to 4%. Both win tomorrow, 6 out of 9. Nice, nice. Alright, and what's that tomorrow again? Chewy, P-Lab. Okay. Yeah, Chewy again, meme stock, right? Could be up in the air. P-Lab, though, I mean, what'd I say? Calls. Yeah, I mean, it did look undervalued. It really did. How's GameStop doing? Trying to hold 22. Down only 5%. I don't know. I still believe it could come back. I don't know, man. I believe. Keeping this one down. Okay. Trying to play with it. Look at this now. It's up. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? What a joke. Oh, that's hilarious. Braves is still up 7%. Yep. AOUT holding about 8 and change, up 7%. Cracker Barrel still down 11%. I don't know, man. I still say the whole situation seems very beaten up now and undervalued. I mean, the restaurant chain, you know, it is a difficult sector, but I don't know. It may be right around the time where we might hear like a Carl Icahn or someone steps in and grabs like a 7% stake. You know what I'm saying? I do have a feeling that something like that is coming. Probably going to be on the terms of changing up some of the board as well, though. So, again, if we're talking bottom line money made, in my opinion, it's worth it. Some politics behind the scenes before you really start to see it, that could be a headache. So, I don't know who may want to deal with it, but yeah, definitely some potential value there. Again, I know they beat it up, changed their logo and whatnot. Now we've gotten a little too extreme. I mean, look, you know, it technically, you know, only slightly retested that level. We needed the whole real estate market to drop for it to break that level. That's what I mean. We're talking, look at this, 22, 23 year levels here. It's ridiculous. And look at that float. I'm telling you, I may be crazy, but I think it's in play. We'll see what happens. We will see what happens. Yeah. All right, I had enough. I appreciate you guys jumping in here, hanging out, showing your support. It means a lot to me. Glad we made a couple of good plays today. Nice, quick, fast money. You're welcome. Have a good evening you as well, yourself. And yeah, hopefully we kind of continue that slight winning streak going into tomorrow at the Open. And hopefully you make some nice money. And what's tomorrow? Wednesday. It's going to be a good day tomorrow. I can feel it. I can feel it. But yeah, I'll end it here. Thanks for your time. Hope everyone did well. Have a good evening. See you tomorrow.